Welcome to Kidz for Kids, a leading assembler of supply kits in the U.S. We help nonprofits deliver supplies to people in need, including school supply kits, hygiene supply kits, disaster relief kits, and cleaning supply kits. The Kidz for Kids program provides resourceful solutions to a wide variety of organizations, including school districts, care agencies, churches and other religious groups, relief organizations, corporate outreach programs, government agencies, and charities to ensure the less fortunate are provided with the essential products they require. We carry quality products from brands like Crayola, Elmer's, Sargent Art, School Smart, and Saks. For the past 20-plus years, we've delivered over 2 million kits to those in need on behalf of our nonprofit partners. Our customers include some of the world's leading charitable donors: World Vision, Feed the Children, Back to School, United Way, and Walgreens. Here's how it works. First, contact your Kidz for Kids representative to determine what type of kits or supplies will best fit your needs. Kidz for Kids warehouse staff will quickly pick and pack your order. We'll then ship the completed kits or bulk supplies to your desired destination. Kit types include school supply kits, backpack kits, hygiene kits, backpacks and bags, winter care kits, and supplies in bulk. Can't find exactly what you're looking for? Contact your sales representative to help you customize a kit. Call 1-800-975-5487, extension 2, complete our contact form, or email us at info@kidsforkids.org. Visit www.kidsforkids.org for more information.